Today, I'm going to show you how to draw into a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you need to add custom annotations, highlight specific areas with freehand markings, or simply personalize your documents with hand-drawn elements. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your files and tools. From here, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the documents you've worked on lately, making it easy to find what you need without searching through folders. Go ahead and select the file you want to draw on by clicking on it. The document will open in the main viewing area, ready for editing. Now look over to the left toolbar. This is where Adobe Acrobat houses most of its editing and annotation tools. Click on the Draw Freehand icon, which is designed specifically for adding custom drawings and sketches to your PDF. Once you click it, a menu will appear with different options. From this menu, select Draw. This activates the drawing mode, allowing you to use your mouse or stylus to create freehand marks directly on the document. Before you start drawing, you'll want to customize the appearance of your markings. In the left panel, you'll see a color picker. Click on it to choose your preferred color. This is where you can match your drawing to your document's theme, or simply pick a color that stands out clearly. Take your time selecting the right shade, as this will affect how visible and professional your annotations look. Below the color picker, you'll find the option to change line thickness. Click on this and a slider will appear. Use the slider to adjust the thickness to your liking. Moving the slider will let you control how bold or fine your lines appear, giving you full creative control over your drawing style. Now comes the fun part. You can now draw on your PDF document. Simply click and drag your mouse across the document to create freehand drawings, annotations, or highlights. Whether you're circling important information, underlining key points, or sketching out ideas, the drawing tool gives you complete freedom to mark up your document however you see fit. Once you're satisfied with your drawings, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This will save all your changes directly to the PDF, ensuring that your custom annotations are preserved for future reference or sharing. And that's it. You've successfully added freehand drawings to your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro, giving you a powerful way to personalize and annotate your files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.